Zedpro Technologies is one of the leading lithium battery pack manufacturers in India. It is an ISO 9001 certified company. Zedpro is engaged in manufacturing world-class lithium-ion solutions for solar products, energy storage solutions, e-bike, e-cycle, electric mobility, and a variety of other applications like medical devices, security systems, POS machines, toys, etc. At Zedpro, we believe in sustainable energy that can create a better future for all of us. We strive to provide reliable and portable indigenous Make in India green energy solutions. With our expertise in market development and application engineering, we stand strong to cater to vast and diversified requirement of the energy sector. For applications such as consumer electronics, medical devices, handheld electronics, renewable energy storage applications, telecommunications, railways, electrical vehicle, and many more. We design and develop application-specific customized battery packs as per the requirement of the customer. Through our vast and strong network with the premium manufacturers and suppliers, we are able to deliver products that are highly reliable and dependable. Our key highlights include: we have BIS approved product range, state-of-art production and testing facilities with machines and equipment sourced from some of the premium battery equipment manufacturers. We are registered vendors for premium and reputed government organizations. We have strategic association with world's leading lithium battery manufacturers and suppliers. We have strong technical collaboration and highly dedicated customer support network all across India.